In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import from Google Docs to Notion in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself needing to transfer your documents from Google Docs into Notion for better organization or collaboration, you're in the right place. Stick with me as we walk through the process step by step, ensuring no important detail is overlooked. First, head over to your Notion workspace. This is the command center for all your projects, documents, and wikis. If you're not familiar with Notion, here's a quick tip. It's an all-in-one workplace tool that helps keep your work organized and accessible. Now, once you're in your Notion workspace, the next step is logging in. Click on the Login button and enter your credentials if you're not automatically logged in. Logging in will take you directly to the Notion home screen, your dashboard for all things Notion. Now that you're on the home screen, look towards the upper corner for the Settings option. Clicking here takes you into the Settings menu where we'll next find the importing features Notion provides. Once in the settings, you'll need to locate the Import button. It's usually straightforward to find as it's clearly labeled and a key feature. This button is your gateway to bringing content from other platforms into Notion. Click on Import, and you're then presented with several options for where you can pull content from. Our focus here is Google Docs, but it's good to know Notion supports various other platforms. So, under the Import options, look for Google Docs. Clicking on this will prompt you to authorize Notion to access your Google documents. Don't worry, this step is necessary and secure. It simply allows Notion to pull the documents you want to transfer. Once you've authorized access, you'll be shown your list of Google Docs. Simply select the specific doc you want to import into Notion. Once selected, Notion will do its magic, transferring the content while maintaining most of the formatting. Depending on the size of the document, this might take just a moment. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a Google Doc into Notion. Now your document is perfectly situated inside your Notion workspace, ready for editing, sharing, or organizing. Remember, doing this can greatly enhance collaboration with your team, allowing everything to be centrally located with all of Notion's awesome capabilities at your fingertips. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on utilizing digital tools to optimize your workflow. See you in the next video.